Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite your friends on Poppo Live. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first of all, open your Poppo Live and log into your account. Once you're in the main screen, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now look for the option that says Invite. Tap on it, and you will see your unique invite link. You can use a normal link, or you can use a template so it can be more engaging. So, you can either copy this link and share it directly with your friends, or tap one of the social icon to share it instantly through app like WhatsApp, Messenger, or others. So make it sure that your friends doesn't have an account yet. So when your friends join using your link, both of you may get rewards depending on the Poppo Live current promotion. And that's it. That's how you can invite link from Poppo Live. Thanks for watching and good luck inviting.